This is going to be the most easiest and the efficient method to generate the high quality, professional looking AI 3D short films. And believe me, the outputs are so good that it feels like an expensive 3D animation project. And the best thing is that you just have to type a simple prompt and the AI will handle everything for you, but you will still have the control over it. So I'm very excited. Let's jump right in. And for that, we're going to be using Flowa.ai, and the simplest way to access this, just click on the join list and just sign up with your Gmail. And on the first sign up, you will get 1000 free credits. Now, here's the interface of this tool, and you can see these are some of the pre-generated videos that have been generated. This is the Wednesday inspired clip. So these are a couple of use cases just to give you the inspiration what this tool is actually capable of. Now, to start this, we have this simple prompt section, and if I just click on the model section, you can see we have every single model, like the image model Nano Banana Pro, we have the C-Dream, we have Midjourney version 7, GPT-1, and every single AI video generator, Sora 2, Kling 2.6, Minimax AI, C-Dance. So we have every single tool over here. And not just the video tools, we also have the music tools. Now here you just need to type the simple idea of your story, and for that we're gonna head over to the ChatGPT and we're gonna ask it to give me 3D animated short film ideas. I like this one, so I'm gonna simply copy this, and if you have your own idea, you can simply paste it here. Now once we have it, we're gonna head over to the model section, and from here we're gonna select the latest model Nano Banana Pro, and from the video models we're gonna select the Veo 3.1 Fast and Sora 2. Well, you can also select the other models according to your preferences, but I like these two models. And from the music section, you don't need to select it, the AI will automatically analyze this and add the music according to them. But just in a case, I'm gonna select the Suno and 11 Labs. And if you want to upload your reference image or any audio or any script, you have the option, you can simply upload it here. But I'm gonna leave all to the Flowa AI in the safer hands and hit generate. And now you can see the AI agent has started working on it. This will create the overall story, visual style, pacing of the story, sound design. This will handle each and every single thing. You just have to type your idea. And you can see it also describe the video length, video aspect ratio, and also the targeted audience, which is great. And now this is working on the storyboard. Now here is the outline of our story, which models the AI will use, and it has mentioned everything. For certain clips, it will use Nano Banana, and for other clips, this will use C-Dream AI, and the Flowa AI will automatically switch between the models according to the complexity of the shot. Now here you just need to simply type continue because this is asking for the confirmation and hit generate. And now you can see it has generated the required characters and the images by analyzing the complete story. So here we have our man image, and this is the story of a stone, about a magical stone. So here we have it. Now if you want to make changes, if you want to regenerate the image, or if you want to edit this image, you can simply click on the regenerate and this will regenerate the image. And here we have it. Now the best part is that it also keeps the previous clip, so you can compare between both of these images. And from here you can also switch between the models like the Flux Context, GPT, C-Dream, Midjourney version 7. So you can easily make changes to your prompt even after making the selection. So once you're satisfied with the results, simply hit continue. And now it's time for the visual assets, and this is already working on it. And I like the interface very much because this is so minimal and simple, and the things just look well organized. Now here you can see it has generated all of the video clips according to the images, and if you want to make changes to the video, if you want to regenerate the video, if you don't like any video, you can simply regenerate button. Alright, so now we have all of these clips together. So if I scroll it down, you can see this is the same process, and at every single step this will ask you, do you want to continue or not? And here you can also see we have the audio file. It has automatically generated the music for it, and if you want to change it, you can just click on the regenerate. But I'm happy with this one, so let's hit continue. Alright, so now we have the final timeline, and in this one you can see it looks like an editor. So all of the video generated clips and the voiceover, background music, and even the dialogues have been added according to the story. And if you want to make any changes to this, you can simply make changes. You can trim the clips, you can adjust the sound effects, you can adjust the background music accordingly, just like the editor. So you don't have to download all of them and need any additional editor to edit the video clips. You can just do this inside of this AI tool. And once you're done, once you're happy with your adjustments, simply hit export, and here is the final output.
In the endless white, even the will to survive can freeze. Sometimes the world offers a flicker of warmth in the coldest of places. It wasn't a fire, it was a promise. Some gifts are not meant to be kept. Only to be carried within.
That was cool. That was awesome. Like, just imagine the AI knows where to place the dialogues, where to place the sound effect. It knows in which image there's a golden light. This is very emotionally connected, and I don't see any weirdness, any flickers. I'm not saying this is 100% perfect. There are a few things, but we can easily fix those things by just, regenerating some of the clips or just trimming some of the clips. But that was great. That was just awesome. And just imagine, you just have typed a simple prompt. You just need to review the content and AI will handle all of these things for you. So I think this is the most easiest and the most efficient model that can generate the 3D short films, AI cartoon films, or whatever AI filmmaking. You can do whatever you want. So I'll put the link in the description below. Definitely go ahead and check this out. And I hope this video was helpful for you. And if you like this video, give it a thumbs up and I'll see you in the next one.